Cuddles, what you doing? You want cuddles? Tickle belly? Tickle belly? Tickle belly? Yay! Tickle belly. Good girl, Lola. Tickle belly! Did Mummy ignore you? Oh, you want tickles again? Right. What do you want? I want tickle belly. Tickle belly. Look at you, Toby. Hello, you two. Oh, hello, Bertie. Baby boo. Oh, did you? Oh no, it's playing with Mummy. You're playing with Mummy, Bertie. Here are. Where's he? Flynn! Hello? What's that? Is that my Lola? What's my Lola one? What's my Lola one? Cuddles? Cuddles? One more? One more? Oh, is that nice? What are you telling Mummy? What are you telling Mummy? More? Very well. I think she'll do it all day. She's mad. Hey, Bertie. Toby, out of the tree. Toby! Baby! What's she doing? What's she doing under there? Ah, that's a school bag. It's not a chewy bag. Whose is that? Is that Tom's car? Lola. Oh! Lola! Lola! You left your tail. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Oh, whoa, whoa. Whoa, your belly warm. Is that what you're telling Mummy? Ooh. Get out from under the sofa. Bertie. What you got, boy? What you got? Are you still going? Goes. Goes. Toby? Toby! What's under there? What's under there? Toby. Toby. He's not moving. Clear was having a go now. What's under there, Kiki?